Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make French truffles using an easy method. First, you'll need about 8 ounces of high-quality chocolate and 1 cup of heavy cream. Finely chop your chocolate and place it in a heat-proof bowl. Next, gently heat the heavy cream in a saucepan until it just starts to simmer, but don't let it boil. This initial step is crucial for a smooth ganache. Once your cream is hot, pour it directly over the chopped chocolate. Let it sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes. This allows the chocolate to melt properly. Then, gently stir the mixture from the center outwards until it becomes a smooth, glossy ganache. Incorporate 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and a splash of vanilla extract for extra richness and flavor. Now, chill the ganache for at least 2 hours. After the ganache has chilled and firmed up, it's time to shape your truffles. Use a small scoop or spoon to portion out the ganache. Gently roll each portion between your palms to form smooth, round balls. For the coating, you have many options. Classic choices include unsweetened cocoa powder, powdered sugar, or finely chopped nuts. You can also use sprinkles or melted chocolate for a different finish. To keep your delicious French truffles fresh, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will maintain their wonderful flavor and texture for up to 2 weeks, making them perfect for gifting or enjoying over time. Remember to let them come to room temperature for about 15 minutes before serving for the best taste experience. Also, for other great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.